Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to write and learn some lines on good thoughts. So let's start. Number 1. Every day is a good day. Number 2. First, things always first. Number 3. Rightly think before you speak. Number 4. Be brave and face the world. Number 5. Knowledge is a power. Number 6. Learn something new today. Number 7. Don't stop until you are proud. Number 8. Stop dreaming. Start doing. Number 9. You are doing great. Just don't give up. Number 10. I can and I will. Number 11. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Number 12. Success will never come to you. You have to go for it. Number 13. One day the world soon will be replaced by finally. Number 14. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Number 15. It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. Number 16. Work hard, dream big, and never give up. Thanks for watching.